Yo, what's up guys? Andy here. Today we're talking about a new app called Byte that could be huge if TikTok gets banned in the US. Okay, so here we have Byte and TikTok in the bottom right corner. Let's go ahead and open up TikTok. You can see that this is essentially a feed. You can swipe left or right, up or down, and get to more content. There's a discover page. There's a creation screen, and there's an inbox in your profile. Let's close that out. Byte, we can see the same thing here. We've got following, your mix up at the top. You can swipe left or right or up or down to get to more content. Next to that, we have the search icon, which is the discover screen. We've got a nice big search box up at the top. We've got the spotlight and some trending topics that we can jump into. And I like how this is organized because they also have these sections. So I don't know if you've ever used Reddit, but it's similar to that. So you can go to different sections like gaming. Then there's going to be a bunch of gaming content here. You can tap on one and then just scroll through that way, or you can follow the gaming topic and those will show up in your following feed after that. Next to that, they've got the content creation screen. So I could record my own video here. Just hold down this button. You can see this bar loading at the top. I think the maximum amount of time is 16 seconds for a byte, but they've got the ability to remove what you've done. You can insert stuff. You have this ghost mode. I honestly don't know what that is. Or you can upload your own videos right here. Once you're done, just tap the arrow right there. You can insert text and music if you like, and then just tap on the next button. So there's your video ready to go. You can add a description, and the maximum amount of tags on this app is 3, so that's kind of nice to keep it slim and not just have people overloading their posts with tags trying to get noticed. And then you can pick a channel. So I could put this in trash or memes or whatever I want. Then you just tap post and that's gonna go to your profile. Someone's profile here, so this is Dom Hoffman. He's actually the founder of this app. We've got the list view and the grid view. You can toggle this right here. So the grid view is kind of nice to get an overview. One thing about this app, it doesn't show how many followers you have, who you're following, how many likes you have, how many views you have, or anything like that. I think you can go into an individual post and get a good idea by the amount of comments and likes in the bottom right corner. However, it doesn't show on the profile. I think that's a downside to this app in my opinion. It's become such a big part of social media culture, and I think that's something that people just want to see, to be honest. And it incentivizes them to keep going and keep uploading content. It seems like a big deal to just leave it out in my opinion. So I hope that's something they test a little more and maybe they'll decide to put it in. However, if you go to your profile, you can go to your stats and get an overview of how many followers you have, the amount of views you have, and the amount of bytes that you've watched. And it kind of gives you a star rating. So that's pretty cool. So maybe they could implement this star rating on your profile instead. That could be pretty fun. There you have it. There's an overview of Byte. This app could be huge if TikTok gets banned. You know, I could see a lot of people moving over. Also, if you're struggling on TikTok, maybe this would be a fun one to test out. It might be a good idea just to create a profile and check it out just in case something happens. Let us know what you guys think of the Byte app down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.